So in this problem, the area of the image we have to find out. So we, from magnification of the surface, we know that this is equal to magnification square, the conventional magnification, which is equal to AI by area of the object, which is equal to F by F minus U whole square. Now let's so since the square frame has a side of 3 centimeters, the area of the object is going to be 9 centimeters square, and we substitute all the values into this equation. That gives us this is equal to 9 into the focal length square basically becomes 100 divided by 10 minus 25 whole square. So area enclosed by the object after solving this we get as 4 centimeter square.